Hey Falcon Eye customers, this is Jimmy coming to talk to you today about one of our best backup camera systems. This is our second generation wired 1080p backup camera with a 7-inch screen. With this system you can start with one camera or you can add two. The goal today is to kind of show you a little bit about the camera. I'm actually going to show you the physical products on this screen, tell you a little bit about the features and benefits, and show you how to order. If you got any questions, you can always call us at any point. You can just scroll up to the top of the website and you see our phone number here. It's this 972-600-1320. We'd love to take any calls from you if you got additional questions, you need some wholesale pricing, maybe you're looking to buy multiple units and you want a fleet discount, or you just have some additional questions. Drop us a call anytime. So let's jump into it. Appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. So this is our 7-inch backup camera wired unit. This is the actual display, the 7-inch screen that you see pictured here. It is a bright, beautiful 7-inch screen. It's 7 inches diagonally here. It's got buttons here that you can use to control the unit. Sorry about there it is. It's got buttons here that you can use to press and change the viewpoints. If you want to change the menu, date and time, all this is controlled by these buttons or by the included remote control that we give you. With this screen, you can show one camera on full screen, but if you end up buying two cameras now or in the future, you can split them and show two cameras in a split view right down here. And if you want to isolate a camera, you can with the touch of a button on the remote or on the buttons. This unit comes with a sun shield that you can see that block out some of the direct sunlight. It has a U bracket that rotates. You can put this behind the unit and install it flat beneath it. You can even rotate it on top. It's got two screw holes and you can change the location if you need to get it on top, or you can hang it upside down, either way. This has two ways you can power the unit. Everything is plugged in to the cable here. You'll see this, I'm going to show it to you here in a second as I'm plugging it in. It's got this power mechanism that plugs into the back of the unit. It's got two inputs for two cameras, camera 1 and camera 2. And you can either power it with the cigarette lighter adapter, plugs right into here, and then you plug this into a cigarette lighter adapter and this will power up the whole camera system. Or if you'd like, you can go behind the dash to the fuse box, to the ignition, to the battery, and you can power it directly to a 12 to 24 volt power source. You see you got a red cable for your power, and you can hook that to the battery, ignition, and you got black for your ground. So this is how you power the unit up. Like I mentioned, it's got two inputs for two different cameras. Also has two trigger wires. And the reason why this would be important is, let's say you have the unit, you have two camera unit, and you got camera 1, camera 2, but camera 2 is on your reverse backlight. So when you go on reverse, you would like the LCD to go full screen. So it's in split screen when you got two cameras, but when you go in reverse, you want camera 2 to go full screen on here when you go in reverse. What you would do is you would hook up this trigger wire for camera 2 to the reverse backlight. And the system's going to automatically go full screen when that trigger wire is powered, and then it will go back to split screen when that trigger wire is not powered. So it does give you that nice functionality with the unit. Real beautiful, crisp LCD. This unit comes with one, but you can add two 1080p weatherproof cameras. You can kind of see the size here. If you can kind of compare this to the remote control I showed you earlier, it's pretty small. It's about 2 inches wide, about 3 inches tall, and about 1.5 inches thick. This mount can rotate to go underneath it, or you could put this behind it. You could mount it upside down on the side, and then you can change the viewpoints in the menu. So if you got it rotated, mounted on the side, you can change the orientation on the screen so it's right side up. You'll see you got 8 infrared lights with a sensor right here in the middle. These infrared lights will illuminate in low light, and this is going to create a beautiful, crisp, awesome, probably the best night vision you've seen, because this is our best super night vision camera that we have. You're actually going to get color at night, and you'll have about 40 feet of visibility even in a pitch black parking lot. The camera on this is a 1080p wide angle camera, so it's a high definition, crisp, beautiful camera. This is metal, waterproof, weatherproof, IP67 camera. Will hold up to any condition. Even if I got banged and dinged, this would hold up really well. With this unit, you can get pretty much any length cable, and it's a 4-pin cable that plugs right into the camera here, and then this plugs right into the monitor. This is a 45-foot heavy-duty commercial grade cable, but as you see, if you scroll down here, you can choose your cable lengths. You get one cable per camera, completely included at no extra cost. No matter what length of cable, you're going to get one cable per camera. So if you select one camera here, you'll see the price is $239. If you change this to 2 cameras, it goes up $100, but now you can select 2 cables. So let's say you wanted one 30-foot and one 9-foot, you could do it like this and have one of each. Or if you wanted 2 30-foot cables, you can have that. Or if you only selected one camera, you want to select one cable of any length, and we will automatically customize the cables with the system. So that's pretty much the system. I do want to tell you, you have grid lines that can display. So if you're using this for backing up and you wanted the reversing grid lines, you do have that option on the grid lines to add. Also want to tell you, you got an option to have a weatherproof, waterproof 7-inch screen. The 7-inch screen I showed you is not waterproof, so you need to mount this in a waterproof cab, in a waterproof truck or vehicle. If you need the LCD to be waterproof, you can pay $50 and upgrade the LCD, and this system is going to be completely waterproof. So then you can mount the LCD externally. Let's say you got a piece of equipment that doesn't have an enclosed cab, you can mount this waterproof LCD outside. You also see here we got different mount available. If you want something different than the U-bracket mount that I showed you, and you want to we call this a butterfly heavy duty mount, you can add that on if you'd like. That is $24.99 before discount. If you wanted to get 60-pound magnets, let's say you have a location that you want to mount this camera, but you don't want to drill it, or you want to maybe move it, you can get a 60-pound magnet. This magnet holds 60 pounds before it has enough force to get dislodged. So the normal driving that you're going to do will not cause the camera to be dislodged. Right here is our warranty option. 1-year warranty is completely free, as you see at the top. If you added a 3-year warranty, this covers anything and everything. You can literally run it over with the lawnmower and get a brand new unit. And that's $32 for 3 years, so about $10 a month once you put in the discount. So that is the options, and then you got the camera cables here. So these are all the options. You want to go through and choose how many cameras you want. If you want to go with the basic LCD or waterproof LCD, if you need any accessories like the magnet, the heavy-duty dash mount, magnets, if you want to stick with a warranty, you want to choose your cable length that you want for the camera, and then if you want, we have 4-inch by 5-inch magnets that you might want to get. So this is how you order the unit. Let's see if there's anything down in the product page. We got an overview here. Like I said, it's a 7-inch screen, and you can upgrade it to an optional 7-inch waterproof monitor if you like. The unit comes with one 1080p Starlight camera with incredible 1080p video, wide-angle lens, awesome night vision. You can get any length cable, as I mentioned here. You can have this on all the time. So if you're installing this in a location that you want the image to be on all of the time, so you would just choose a constant 12-volt power source. But if you want it to be only on when the vehicle, the equipment's in reverse, you would hook up the power to the unit to a reverse backlight, and then it's going to only come on when in reverse. So you choose that during the installation. It's about a 1 or 2 hour install. We offer free shipping, so if you order by 1 p.m. Central Time, Monday through Friday, we ship out same day, and we'll ship to you for free. We include a 30-day money-back guarantee, so if you get the unit in and for any reason you're not satisfied, you'll get a 100% refund of the product. So this is kind of the product page. You can kind of scroll through. At the top, you can kind of see different tabs. These are all the specifications of the camera and the LCD. This is what's included, a 1080p bracket camera, one of them if you choose 1 or 2. You got a heavy-duty U-shaped dash mount. We gives you all the screws and mounts that you need. The 7-inch screen, sun visor. We give you the cigarette lighter and the 12-volt hardwire power cable. We give you a heavy duty camera cable. It'd be 60 foot if you don't choose, or you can choose the length, a remote control, power and wire, and installation guide. On the extra tab that you see here, we have instructional videos and manuals on how to install, operate, and use this system. So if you want to check those out, you can, and then you'll see the reviews. We got 28 reviews as of today, so you can check out all of our product reviews. So this is the system in a nutshell. So if you're looking for a 1080p wired backup camera system with a 7-inch screen, the 7-inch screen can be waterproof or not, and you want 1 or 2 cameras, this is going to be the perfect system for you. If you're looking for wireless systems, you can hover over the backup cams and click on our wireless backup cameras and see what we offer here. We got a number of systems. We also have in the wired backup cameras, we got multiple options. We got a unit with a 9-inch screen if you're looking for something a little bit larger. Like I said, you always can call us at any point. Just scroll up. Here's our phone number at the top. We're here Monday through Friday. We would love to help you and take any calls that you have. Thanks for watching this video, and thanks for the opportunity to earn your trust in business.